Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Zbrush. In this video we are going to talk about dynamesh, that whenever you click onto the dynamesh while selecting groups, you can apply dynamesh to each and every separate groups. So click onto the group here and click onto the project, and if we apply the dynamesh, you can see the joint part. In my model, the joint part is this one. So what happened is the joint part is come up with some holes which I don't like. Like I don't like this holes. I want to uh, merge this, and if I apply dynamesh again, you can see if I apply dynamesh again, the hole will again getting large in size. It is taking some time, and what you have to do to apply the dynamesh, you have to go to the geometry and open this dynamesh tab here, sub tab, and click onto the group so that you can manage group into your model and project, which is necessary if you have high resolution mesh. But what is the solution of this? So the solution of this is you can also turn off the group by pressing Ctrl Z. You can move back to your process. You can see we have this when we click the second dynamesh, the hole get large. By pressing Ctrl Z, we are going to one step back, and you can see the hole is small, and we are again going to the previous step. Now our model is clear. Now what we are going to do, we are going to turn off this group because I want to merge all the groups so that we can get clear dynamesh. So what we are going to do, we are going to click onto the dynamesh. So the hole is removed, but the thing is the group which we have created is also removed, which we don't like. So what we are going to do, we are going to move back to the process again and click onto the group again and press Ctrl Shift and select the group on which you get some holes. So click onto this. I want to see this through the other side also. So onto the going to the display properties, click onto the double so that I can see the next part of this. And now I'm going to apply the dynamesh over this. So click onto the dynamesh over this group. Now you can see this group is dynamesh perfectly, but the thing is the edge area will get very weird and look like this. This is how. Now you can also remove this by clicking onto the pinch brush. Use I and use this brush to pinch your model like this, and by pressing the smooth button you can use it like this. And also you can apply dynamesh again to remove this. So the best thing is, so the best part is, now you can see the our hole is removed, but the thing is we get some errors around this edges. So the thing is you have to deselect this group so that you can get a dynamesh whole dynamesh within a single color. And after you applied a to the single object, what is this? Yes, and if you apply the dynamesh while deselecting this group here, you will get to see the whole model with a single polygroup color, which is good to avoid these holes. And after you create this, you have to uh, select you can select this by this masking area, and you can, by using this poly group here, you can group masked. So this is how you can go back to your polygroups again. So hope all of the doubts regarding this holes while creating dynamics will be cleared in this video. If you have any doubt regarding this Zbrush, comment in the comment box. I will upload more videos on that topic. And hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel to get some more information like this. Thanks for watching.